Hey guys, welcome back to another video of SJ Vlogs. So in this video I'm going to be sharing my review on this Redmi Note 9 Pro, and it's been 2 weeks since I bought this phone. So I'll be covering the gaming part, battery and camera as well. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're new to this channel, press the subscribe button and the bell icon below. So let's dive into the video. Is we have a 6.67 inch HD plus IPS display, and on the right hand side we have the power button along with the fingerprint sensor, the volume rocker, and on the top we have the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. On the left hand side we have the SIM tray where we can put 2 SIMs and a memory card, and on the bottom we have the audio jack, USB-C type port, primary microphone and the speaker grill. On the back side we have the Redmi branding, 48 megapixel quad camera, flash. So for this price range we can find that Redmi has done a very great job, and the display is very beautiful. The sample videos I can show you. And games like PUBG, Call of Duty runs very well in this phone without any frame drops, but still you can find a little bit of frame drops when the phone starts to heat.
Killing spree for the red team!
Expired! No mercy!
When played at high settings, you can find the frame drops after some time. So coming to the battery, we can find we have a 5020 mAh of battery in this phone. So that's a huge battery in this phone. Battery lasts 2 days for me. If you're a hardcore gamer, it can last only for a single day. So talking about the charging, that is from 0 to 100, it will take one and a half an hour for charging. So that is a really good thing in this phone. So coming to the camera quality, so we have various options in this camera. We have the ultra wide mode, the regular mode, and this is for the 2x zoom. You can also zoom it till then 10x, but it won't be that clear. Will not be using this much zoom in this while taking pictures. And we also have the macro setting. So the macro setting is a very impressive thing in this phone. You can take really close pictures in this phone with high details. So coming to the video mode, we have the regular zoom, ultra wide. So you can take videos in 4K, 720p, 1080p in 30 fps, and 1080p in 60 fps. A short video option, slow motion. In slow motion we can take 960 fps videos, 120 and 240 frames per second in this video. You can take slow motion. We have the portrait option, night mode, panorama and pro mode. So that's it guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you think that I missed something in this video, just let me know by dropping a comment down below. Thank you for watching.